In this video, I'm buying a $450 2009 Ford Focus. So we got the trailer loaded up. We are hopping in the truck, fortunately with some AC already blasting, and we are headed out to pick up the Ford Focus. On we go. So we got the car, as you can see in the back. We are now headed home. Well, not we, but there's some major news to spill with this car, and I'll show you and tell you when I get back. It's in a lot worse shape than I expected. So here is the car at the car wash, and spoiler alert, we got this going on. I will show you more when we get back, but for now it's time to get the filth and the grime off. You can see just how bad this tire is. Oh goodness. Yeah, so the tire was shot, as is the rear on here. Pretty flat, not quite as bad, but very, very bald. Oh, we do have that. Some tread showing. Anyway, the body is worse than expected. The tires are obviously shot, so the price had to be adjusted accordingly to account for that. We got the Focus jacked up and the wheel taken off. You can see just how bad this thing looks. It's not gonna sell like this. So let's go get some new tires. Yeah, sweet, thank you. Thank you. Just dropped off the tires for the Focus at the tire shop that's right next to the cornfield. Yeah, just go right across from the cornfield and you'll find the tire shop. So that's where we dropped it off, and they will get mounted, sorted, balanced, all that jazz. Pick them up later, throw them back on the Focus, call it good. So a quick backstory why I bought this car, and then on to the deal breakdown of this particular vehicle. I was helping out a friend who needed a car really, really badly. No, this isn't something that I'm going to daily drive for myself, and this isn't something that I'm going to directly flip and make a huge profit on. I'm sure I could clear at least $1,000 net. Once we get on to the deal breakdown, I'll share why. But I had a friend who has very little money, and he was like, yo, help me out. I need a car. I need something that's good on gas. And I have a very low budget. We were trying to stay under 800 for as nice of a vehicle as possible. So we got this, it's a 2009 Ford Focus. I think it's the SE, I don't remember the trim. It's automatic, it's the 4-cylinder, and it has a salvage title, which is one of the reasons why we got it so cheap. Secondly, as you saw, as I kept going on about, the tires were shot. This thing was not movable whatsoever. Nobody could drive it home because the tires were that bald. So it made it immovable and not able to be purchased by a pretty large demographic of buyers. Sure, you could have thrown the spare on and maybe limped it home a very short distance, but a lot of buyers simply wouldn't be interested because this looked so bad. Secondly, the battery was dead, so it had to be jump started. And then finally, it was poorly marketed. So when it was posted, it looked horrible on the ad. Then you read that it wouldn't start, and then you read that it wouldn't drive because of the tires. So no buyers wanted this thing. Couple that with a salvage title, and there really wasn't a huge buyer market for it. Now they had it posted for like $2,700, which was reasonable. They dropped it to $1,100 to get it gone, and I ended up spending just $450 on it, which is a really, really insane deal, even given the circumstance with the car. So I did what I do best. I marketed it really well. I got it to a position of looking good. I detailed it, threw on hubcaps, threw on new tires, got a used battery. All of these were budget strategic fixes to address all of the problems with the car, and for just a total of $600 after tax, after everything included, they have a very nice, reliable car that they can drive for a much longer time. So mission accomplished. We achieved the goal of staying well below $800, and when it comes time for them to resell this, I'm sure they'll clear $600 on this car as long as they don't hit something or blow something up. I could easily see this going for $1,000 or maybe 15, maybe 2,000, even with the title status, depending on who the buyer is. So I got him a very, very good deal. Super happy to help out a friend and wanted to document the process. Now, two things before you go. If you're interested in learning how to make money with vehicles, how to start a profitable automotive marketing business by simply helping private party sellers sell their vehicle, there's a link for that down below. And also, if you're interested in learning how to get good deals, how to negotiate, how to do strategic repairs, just like I did on this Focus, and learn how to drive anything for free, if not profitably, then there's a link for that below as well. With that in mind, hopefully you liked the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, drop a comment down below telling me what you thought, what you would pay for this now that it's all fixed up and nice if you were the end buyer, or would you be happy with this for $600? Subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and I will see you on the next one.